It contains a collection of monosyllabic words. The fourth chapter is Ikpadika, or Naga stem. It contains a collection of words that convey a meaning. Chapter 5 Devadakanda. It consists of 12 chapters in 2 chapters of Narakta, a collection of the names of the gods of the Vedas. There is an explanation of the first 2 stems of the first Taka Naruda. The second kata has an explanation of the Devadakanda. The etymological meaning of Naruda is to break. In this sense it is grammatical. Break ranks. Circle grammar breaks words down into passages. Explains it. Grammar is related to words, Naruda is related to meaning. It is easy to accept the meaning only when the metal is broken. So the grammar is also non-existent. Complementary to each other. 5. Fifth Vedanga is astrology. He who is devoted to the sacrifice is called Ritvik. The timing of the yajna was determined during the day by observing the Kshatrapaksha and Uttarayana. In this context, calculating the Ahoritra, Paksha, month, Ritu, Ayana, Samvatsara became a special need for Ritvik. Astrology originated from these people. A treatise called Vedanga Jyotish is available in Lagadar. By Yajan and Arch. It has 2 branches. Sixth Vedanga is Kalpa. Kalpas are understood in the form of satras. As it describes the practice of yajna, there is a discussion on the reformation of domestic life etc. There are 4 classes of them: Srata Sutra, G, Hasat, Dharma Sutra and Shalapsutra. All the yagnas mentioned in Brahmana are called Shruta yagnas because Brahman is the organ of Shruti. These yajnas are 14 in number, 7 Habainas i.e. killings and 7 Soma yajnas i.e. Somarazati are to be performed. These 14 yajnas are detailed in the Shrata Satra. For this 3 Agnis have to be infused: Garhapatya, Ahavanya and Dakshina. There are also discussions about them. Apart from these 14 yagnas there are additional yagnas. They are called Smat Yags. It has provisions for 7 sacrifices such as Upasana, Homa, Vaishvadeva etc. Their discussion is found in Gahast. Mayat karmas are rules done in smart fire. Mat, Agni is also known as Vaibhahik Gaha, Aviska and Upasana Agni. Some of the yagnas are in both Shraddha and Guha form, such as Agnihotra, Dasaparna month, Pashayoga, Pitra Yag. We are aware of the 10 samskaras to be observed in Hindu life from birth to funeral because they are still observed in Vedic form. Such as Jatavarma, Namkaran, Anaprashana, Charakarana, Karnaveda, Upanayana, Samavarman, marriage, funeral. There are rules on how to perform these. In India it is surprising that these reforms have existed unchanged for thousands of years. Dharma Sutra extends beyond the family and pervades the society. There are many advices on manners, etc. in it. Another name for this is Namayasharak Satra. Here time is to be understood as unanimous discipline. So there is a consensus on indiscipline and advice on behavior.